If I believe I won't be screwed up a lot, this is confidence. If I believe I won't be screwed up at all, this is overconfidence. Anyway, my fate is to be decided today. I am about to face the 3-force model of ASP. Let us see what happens.
So, are you trying to make us accept that you can cover the entire agricultural industry of India?
Yes, sir. I actually did the project.
Balaji, I have a doubt. What are the x-axis and y-axis in your graph?
Mr. Balaji, if you say this is a culture you call as agriculture, then define semi-culture.
Gentlemen, please tell us whether you have done your project at all. Have you done your project at all?
Oops, the 3-force model got the better of our hero. Next scene is at the multi-specialty hospital of our campus, our dispensary. Our hero is being examined by Dr. Gauri.
Doctor, what happened to our Balaji?
You know, he's affected by somatopresentoscrophobia.
Whose phobia?
This is a very rare phenomena in the medical history. He can lead a normal life like anybody else. But the problem is, the upper part of the left cerebrum, the neuron cells there, it is seriously affected.
So, moral of the story?
It is that he cannot remember things for more than 5 minutes.
Doctor, you mean to say he will forget everything?
No. He can remember things which had deeply affected his mind. See, for example,
First of capital, time value of money, future value.
just 5 minutes.
After that,
He'll forget everything.
Doctor!
See, we have done everything that we can do. Let's go for the rest.
Thank you, doctor. Balaji? Balaji? See him? It's your Balaji.
how are you, Balaji?
Who are you, da? I'm Prem, da. See? Okay, so me, Prem, see. Okay. It's enough. Let's go to our room, da. See him? Let's see what he remembers. Balaji, are you alright? Let's see. This is our photographs. Balaji, do you remember this?
Can you remember this?
Balaji, this one?
Balaji, you are lover.
You forget your lover?
Balaji, our friends.
Balaji, at least the next one?
Yes. Sunday. Good day.
Balaji, you're alright. Thank God, he's alright.
Balaji, perfectly all right, Balaji.
Let's see. The next one? Balaji, you're college, man. Oh God. Fine, Balaji.
CM, it's time. So we should go and register for our electives. Let's get on to the college. Balaji, we are now in third semester. We have to register for our electives, Balaji. Have a timetable too, Balaji. Oh, not again. Yeah, it's okay, fine. Okay, Balaji, fine. Let's go.
Good morning, all of you. All of you have your economic times. Please take it to page number 4. That is the article on Indian futures market. Which market? Futures market. There you are reading to it, and then we will discuss. Okay? In that article, it is given like India's GDP is a question for next quarter. It is serious, not a thing to laugh. लोकाः समस्ताः US economy GDP बहुत हुआ है. So we all have to be careful. Now in US the GDP is falling down drastically. So what about the GDP of USA in the next quarter? Can anyone guess?
Bernanke.
Excellent. As Bernanke also mentioned, USA GDP is on a definite question mark. But what about India? If USA itself is affected, India will definitely should be affected, right? But Indian government is doing extraordinary steps. So, Indian Reserve Bank of India had taken extra super steps to control India's inflation. Excellent. Who's that? Yeah, Balaji. Come here. You are second year, man. This is first year classroom, economics class happening here. Come here. What are you doing in first year class? You don't know wish to go out of first year or what? Your class is second year, second floor. Your class is CR4, second floor.
CB. CR.
Yes, 115, CB. You are already 15 minutes late. Because CR2, macroeconomics. Your class, second floor. I understand. You are already 30 minutes late. Now it's 1:45. Your professor will not let you in. Okay? Your class shifted to second floor, CR4. Go to first floor, climb up, and there will be CR4. Get in. Your class is started already. Go. Okay. Now, coming back to your class. Turn back to page number 8. There is an article on Obama saying about India's outsourcing industry. What about India's outsourcing industry? It is going up to be a drastic fall. So India's job market heavy. I told you to go, right? It is
150. CB. CR2.
I accept Balaji. 150. Maybe. But now CR2. This is CR2. In CR2, first year class is going on. Economic. It is your class shifted to second floor. Go first before 5 minutes. Before you forget, go to CR4. It is your class, man.
150.
Arey Baba, you be here. I leave the class.
Hey, you! What are you doing here in my room? It's my room. You! It's my laptop and it's my room. Hey, you! Get out! Yeah, I know you. Get out. Oh my God! What's this? Oh. Hey!
Balaji? Balaji?
Story. Pray. CM. ASP. You remember everything. Balaji, thank God, you remember everything. You remember we are in the same group? Yeah, yes. Good, really good. So, this week's assignment, MR case study, cost in class test, IB presentation, and SDM role play.
So, we will take a leave from you here.